What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Coach Al Futrell YouTube channel. You know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notification bell. Now, over on this channel, we talk about a lot of things that are directly and even indirectly tied to your overall health and well-being. And today's topic that I want to cover is something known as AI psychosis, a growing epidemic as we speak. So my personal opinion, I think AI is great. I think it's a great tool if you use it the right way. There might be some personal things, and if you're using it the right way, it can help you navigate some things. Me personally, I like to use it for a lot of things within my business, and I think there are a lot of other business owners out there who will tell you it has helped with their efficiency and how they run their business. So again, I think AI is a great thing, but I'm not naive enough to think that there isn't a downside or that there's some bad that comes along with it. And some of the bad is this AI psychosis, where people are using AI to navigate a lot of personal problems. And what they don't understand about these long language models, or maybe they do understand and then they're just too naive to just actually accept it, is that the AI, it's built and it's designed to agree with you. So it's basically just showing you a mirror. So you start pumping all these crazy ass thoughts into your head. You might be navigating a divorce. You might be navigating a tough time in your relationship. You might be dealing with some mental disorder, something along those lines. And when you start feeding the AI the things that you already believe, it's already designed to agree with you, because these things are a business. They are a product. So how do they make money, or how do they keep you using the product? They keep you coming back by agreeing with you damn near everything that you pump into it. So it's going to validate the things that you want validated. And it's not necessarily always thinking about you and your best interest. So I mean, there's been stories. I don't know if you guys heard about the one kid who offed himself talking to a chat bot, and the bot was telling him, they belong together and that the kid needs to go ahead and kill himself so they can be together forever. Again, this is a crazy story. It's already proven true. You guys can go ahead and look it up on your own. I believe the mother is currently going through a lawsuit, and I'm not going to drop the name of the company or the name of that family. That would be disrespectful, but just know that these type of situations are out there, and this is going to have a great impact on people's health moving forward if they're not able to disassociate between the real life reality of what's going on versus the things that they're saying into these long language models that is just giving them reassurance to things that they already believe. So someone who already believes their own lies, and then they run to these long language model chatbots and they input their crazy ass thoughts or things that they believe to be true, they have to understand the model is built to agree with you. It's not built to disagree with you, because the more it would disagree with you, that would turn you off to the point where maybe you don't come back and use the platform or the product. So don't be naive. Understand that this could really mess up someone's overall health and well-being. If you know someone that is dabbling into these long language models a little too frequently, or they're going at it a little too intensely, using it to navigate every area of their life, I would suggest that you show them this video, because maybe they don't know that that's how these things are built. Again, it's built to agree with you. It's not built to disagree with you, because if it disagreed with you, you would be less likely to come back and use that product. So it's basically just showing you a mirror. It's showing you the things that you want to hear. And unlike talking to a relative or a close friend, you're also going to get the information like that in the snap of a finger. So that's another thing, the delayed gratification of it all. Someone wants an answer to something, someone is looking to fix a problem, and then they run to AI and then they type in their problem or they talk through their microphone. They're having a full-on conversation with the AI, and then they're getting an instant reply. So that's a form of instant gratification, which is going to make the user feel like, yes, this was perfect. I got the answer I was looking for, and I got it in light speed. So again, if you know someone that's actually struggling with this, share this video with them, because this is a growing epidemic where people are getting too lost in the sauce, per se. They are running down this rabbit hole, spiraling out of control, and they are actually suffering from AI psychosis, and they don't even know it. So I'm not here to, actually, what's the word I'm looking for? Shit, it'll come to me in a minute. But, I'm not looking to diagnose people and say, yes, you have this thing. But there are certain behaviors that they are picking up on. And when I say I'm just talking about the masses, the people who are behind the creation of these long language models, the people who are overseeing the data. That's who I mean by they. I'm not talking about the eye in the sky, if you will, but the people who have built these platforms, who have built these AI chatbots, these long language models. They got all the data for this stuff, and we're seeing a growing epidemic with this. So, like I said, I think this could really hurt people's overall health and well-being moving forward, which could trickle into other areas of their life, especially their own health and fitness. So if their mind is being disrupted from all the things that they're talking about with their AI chatbot, it could ruin their health down the line. So I just think overall, as a society, we have to be careful. Again, I personally think AI, it has some good use if you're going to use it the right way, but there are some people out there who may not be all the way there upstairs, and they're using the AI in the wrong sense, where they actually need to reach out to a real individual. You need to go and talk to a real human being about some of these issues that you have, instead of running to an AI chatbot that is designed to agree with you. So just remember that key point. It is designed to agree with you. It's not designed to disagree with you, because if it disagrees with you, you are far less likely to come back and use the product. If it agrees with you, you'll just keep coming back, and it's just going to keep feeding you stuff over and over and over to reassure you and make you feel good about whatever it is that you're saying into the chatbot. So again, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment, let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. If you guys need coaching, you will find the link in the description. Again, share this video with someone you feel who may be going down that rabbit hole of using AI in the wrong manner. Let's get this video out there. Let's help people and keep their overall health and well-being on the up and up, keeping them in tune with what's real and not escaping reality all the time. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one, and that's it. Peace.